gone over everything, I got a question for you. If you knew that these services could help someone personally or professionally, would you share the information? You see, I think that you would. And so that being said, the world has forever changed and we're in a work from anywhere revolution. People want more income opportunities, more time to build their business, more flexibility and independence. And in these uncertain times, doesn't it make sense to have a backup plan? Well, have you found one yet? Because if you haven't, I want you to lean in. I'm about to share one with you. You see, a good business plan must have these three things in place: an opportunity that's backed up by a great company with outstanding products and opportunities for compensation. It needs to have a system, not an idea, but a proven system that has produced results over and over for years. And lastly, a community of leaders, mentors, big thinkers, and true partners to show you the way. Well, are you generating the income that you desire? Understand there are three forms of income. There's that linear income. That's trading time for money. You go to work, you get paid. You don't go to work, you don't get paid. Unless you have leave, of course. Now, that's what I was used to when I worked for Uncle Sam, linear income. And there's leveraged income where you can work with your team and have income potential, unlimited income potential, as a matter of fact, there. But then there's something called residual income. That's for the lifetime of the membership. That's doing something one time and continuing to get paid over and over and over. Well, who are we looking to partner with? Everyone that you see listed here, except there's one person that was left off. And you know who that is? It's you.